Hello everyone, how is everybody doing today? My name is Mackenzie and I'm super happy that you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you all of my updated skincare products for rosacea skin. I want to first put a couple of disclaimers. I am not a doctor or an esthetician. I'm just a girl with rosacea. Just want to show you guys what has worked for me. If you guys haven't already watched my story time video all about my struggle with rosacea, then I'll go ahead and put that in the card up here. I am also going to be filming a video for you all about if you are in a flare-up, so watch out for that. If you guys haven't already subscribed yet, please subscribe below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let me start off with my first cleanse. I really love for my first cleanse the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. You guys, this is a beautiful cleansing balm. Love it. It does have a little bit of a fragrance. Let me try and like describe the fragrance. It's like a bit fruity, but it's not too strong. It hasn't made my skin freak out or anything, so I honestly love this as a first cleanse. For my second cleanse, I just really like using Cetaphil, the daily facial cleanser. Whenever I'm in the States, I get like big bottles of this. I'm actually all out of this, and I don't know when I will go back to the States, so I need to figure out another cleanser that I can buy here in the Netherlands. But yeah, I really like this. It doesn't strip my skin. I have like interesting skin. It's like dry, especially in wintertime, but sometimes it's like a bit oily. I don't know, it just, my skin is interesting. So I really like this, and yeah, it's cheap. You can buy it at the drugstore, and yeah, it's just nice. It's simple. And if you have rosacea, honestly, simple is always the best. So that's like my key thing here is just keep it simple and your skin will love you. Okay, so that was cleanser. And next thing that I do, and I just am getting into toners now, I have been really enjoying this Purito Centella Calming Toner. It has hyaluronic acid in it, as well as centella, which is a very popular ingredient in Korean skincare. This I put on after my second cleanse because sometimes my skin needs to be brought back a little bit of moisture, and with the hyaluronic acid in this, oh, it just feels so good. I just put a little bit on my hand. Some people use a cotton pad. Honestly, I don't want any of that cotton pad to soak up any of this product. I want it all on my face. I really like this, and yeah, I don't know, it just feels good. It's like, it's calming. The next thing that I would do is if I am on a retinol night, which I do have retinol nights now. I just turned 28 in December, and I am really starting to see the signs of aging. I know like once you hit like 25 or something like that, like your skin cells stop turning over as often, and so your skin just looks a little more dull and lifeless, and you can start getting those fine lines and wrinkles. I'm already seeing them, so we're getting in the retinols. I previously was using the Luna Sleeping Night Oil from Sunday Riley. I was gifted that by my friend Sophie. It was really sweet of her. I took some pictures around Amsterdam. That was really nice, and I got to use the product, and I really liked it. Another product from Sunday Riley, the retinol, is the A+ Retinoid Serum. I really like this product as well. It's definitely more intense, so I'm happy that I tried the Luna first, and then I went with this one because my skin kind of got used to the retinol a little bit more. I still can only use this once a week though, otherwise my skin freaks out. Once a week is very much fine. I really want to try the Ordinary retinol once this one runs out, but yeah, if you guys like Sunday Riley, I think this is a really great retinol product. The next thing after I put that on is moisturizers. I have been loving this Comfort Ceramide cream from CosRX. It has centinela as well as ceramides in it, and it's just really nice moisturizer, especially now in winter. So rich and creamy, and I just really enjoy how it feels on my skin. And I was using this CosRX Ultimate Nourishing Rice Sleeping Mask, overnight spa mask, but I felt like this wasn't giving me as much moisture as I needed. If you have more oily skin, this is like a great product for you. I think I'm gonna try this in summertime when it's more humid and there's more moisture in the air. Then I think this might be a really great product for me. So yeah, so I'm definitely going to be trying this product this summer. So updated skincare routine in the summertime. Those are the products that I'm trying right now. I've been really enjoying them. As you can see, they're like mostly Korean because I did get a big Korean shipment from Yes Styles, so I can link all these products down below. I also was trying their like AHA, BHA, PHA from Some by Me. However, that product, my skin, like, I don't know, I know that like purging comes with it, but it does become like really red and irritated. So I'm gonna like pause on that one for a little bit, and sort of maybe in summertime when I have a bit more moisture and my skin's a little less irritated from the dry air. So that product is on pause. Another product that is tried and true that I absolutely love, that I actually just got 2 bottles of because my mom sent them to me. Thanks, Mom. Because I can't find them anywhere here. I really love the Cerave PM. If you have watched my other skincare routine or my skincare products, I really love this. This was the product that I used mainly just when I was flaring up. So I love this product. It has niacinamide in it, it has hyaluronic acid and ceramide. So this is a beautiful product, and it's also not so expensive. I would recommend this to you guys if you're just flaring up and you need something that's simple and to the point. Like I said earlier, with rosacea, simple is the best. Another brand that I really love is the Elta MD Skincare line. They have a sunscreen that is for people with acne or rosacea or hyperpigmentation. Let me show you guys. This is the Elta MD SPF 46 sunscreen. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like the best sunscreen I think I've ever tried. Honestly, when I use this sunscreen, my skin is just like, oh, it loves it so much. It also has niacinamide in it, and it's very calming and it protects your skin really well. So I absolutely love this. I would really recommend this. Another product that I have here is the Elta MD AM Therapy. These work really well together in the morning. If you want to just like wash your face, put this on and then put this on, these work really great together. And their PM therapy as well is always really nice. I really like the Elta MD skincare line. It just sucks like I can't like find it here. If you guys know if I can get it on some website or something, please let me know because I love these so much. Yeah, so those are all of my current skincare products that I've been using recently. I also have a sunscreen as well from just like the local drugstore here from Atos. It's just like the Atos brand sensitive skin sunscreen. So that also works well for sunscreen. But yeah, I put on sunscreen every single day. Rosacea skin does not like the sun, and I'm gonna make a video all about also triggers and how to help prevent flare-ups. So I'm really excited to film that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other skincare product recommendations, let me know, or if you have any other questions, also let me know. I'll go ahead and link my email address as well as all of my socials. So please feel free to reach out. And I also wanna say, if you have rosacea, you are not alone. You're gonna get through this. I am here to help you. We have so much information available to us on the YouTubes, on the internet. You're gonna get through this. So I love you guys so much. I will see you on my next video. Mwah! Bye!